group of people from Kinshi area belonging to
Menteri Ketenat Boarding Abu Tahir Mandal ulaang bakas sarkar kamdan syu ikejing temu ban penim ya Kinshi Power Project Stage 1 Henry kala syempat ikisin jam ban penteri kam niki katu kat niki project boarding hakawa Kinshi ya kani menteri ula pentep syaka kunhun jong ka Joint Committee of Local People on Kinshi Hydropower Project kabakwa bentep la ka sarkar kadangdan em kejing temu ban penim ya Kinshi Hydropower Project Stage 1 Habakaran syakilat pathai kubor haka arpo terik nailar umandal ulaong ngalaong haki bayamentahi kamdan kanu kabakum kata kajing tumu Henry hidang yai terai ban pet yaki weipat kilat penmi boarding hakawa Kinshi ula pentip ru bana kaliang kani kekenhuan kala penti kena ban ai kajing kershan kabapura ya ka sarkar haka bay dei berkani kebenta.
Today I met one group of people from Kinshi area belonging to South West Kashi Hills, and they came and gave representation regarding the present status of Kinshi power project. So I told them as of now nothing is there, but we are working vigorously to see that some power project comes into the Kinshi basin, and I am very happy that they promised that whatever cooperation is required, they will be extended. There was a fruitful discussion. We are looking forward to see that some power project comes into the basin. See, all power projects are till now it is that not like that. We have not we have scrapped all the power project. It is not like that. We have scrapped the MOU with some parties because they were not showing any sign of initiating the project. So it was there just hanging like that. We scrapped that one to facilitate to see that some new entity comes and take up the power project. It is not that we have scrapped the power project itself. We are as of now engaged with only central public sector units like NTPC, NIPCO and all these things. We are open to private power producers also if they want to come and invest. We are looking forward to see that some projects from their end also. As of now, nothing concrete, but we are working to see that whether feasibility is there or not. So feasibility report is being collected, and at the same time we are working on our own also to see that some more power projects can be developed or not. Accordingly, DPRs are being prepared for small hydropower projects.
Hakashiti bala Aisha uni Menteri Ucaman ke Joint Committee of Local People on Kinshi Hydropower Project ubak Roshan Merthong ulaong ngikwa bentip la kadang don em kanu ke jing temu haki puar ki bandangwan ban penim biang ya ke Kinshi project ula pentip ru baka komiti kalapha da kashiti haka pratrik ulber arajar husau sya menteri rangba kejela ban pentip ya ke jing susi jongka halur kakam ka ba klempat pendap ka bay de ber ke project boarding Lak ban penken mau baka sarkar jelah haka khat atarik nailur arjar alkulai kala penduk no ya ka Kinshi Power Project Stage 1 hadin ke jingsem bakamnya hapsyu bat ke jinglut jingsem.
Yang jungi ka Joint Committee of Local People on Kinshi Hydropower Project. Ilawan ban yakendu ya isa iti bantal balong Minister in charge jongkanika Department habibadai bat kanika Kinshi Project jungi. Kini ketika sin kapar ya kapang iyo panwan banyak kendu i hakai badai bat kanika project. Mereka ni project lah dapat sign MOU nadu senam arjar niau bat ka MS Antenna Company private company. Tehdian kata jaga ni project lah dapat scrap dah kanika government hagi niki kendiat penaik badan. Ya badai bagani negara yang jungi haka new penaik mas jom mentau senam. Ngirawan banyak kendu bangilar request jaga sarkar bakam dei ban scrap ikan project margani ke project kan rong ke jingkat ku kraw ikan rong kathai ke jungi ya kemudian bagani nak liang sarkar kala kular jingi bakam kanam scrap ya kenika project han mereka scrap tang ya ka MOU bedeng jong company baka government riasan gitu gitu ya din ketu nak liang jungi la tawa pa ya keni project dei ban stang no kroy biang sisit nang makan long kecing bentoy nak banta ki pajpa jong katong kathai ke jungi pada saya ke celah ibar koi Nama aku bagi mentah ke jelam ikhlas juga don ke jengkeduk boarding ke berserkai adalah poetang nadu penai Oktober seneng terter nadu penai April kumdu. Dan negeri yang juga gila kepat yang sorkar pakai penlek kloy hak badai bukan yang mentah. Dan negeri yang juga sorkar katkum ke jengkeduk ke jungi ya isa. Kemudian negeri yang juga sorkar ngibu fast purity nak mentah ketika kensi project pakin yo bande nak juga nek korban mentah. Ya, nak benda kini nak liang jong komen kandang page benia nomor bakam buat syuban syu sign tangki MOU kumba long gini ki aku senam meradap long bal ki pro tadi ki MOU la syu scrap nomor bakam lapan ki company ki syuan ban soy MOU hendak dalam lapan pentrai kini project ya ke korban ke pemerintah ong ba extend ba sign ya MOU kadai bai kata ke company kadai ban lapan execute ya kata jing trai ke paki kwa ya biasa lor kata ke pentan nak liang jung sorkar ke kuah ban penting kena apa kan ni ke projek kan nyat baik sin balak soy ka MOU hadu mentah ke nak liang jung kormen kadang explore yaki lat berhenti kumnu bakal ban le hadu kata ke pentan ka bakal ban bagan ni projek kan nyat bisa perang tapi nak liang jung i war minister ida kular yang iba insya Allah yo chief minister badai bagani pan kampen state ya kene kam agi badai bagani ka project gajungi bat nginang yai ya communicate haka badai bagani ka kam nak force ke por gajing scrap chung sarkar ya kene ka MOU nu nuswa ka lombek ban nomor bagini company kam la ban tre kam la ban tre nomor ban adu arjar nyau la sign ka agreement tidak sign biang arjar sipo te mentah adu arjar pulai la ban omo adu arjar pulai mentala arku sam tegumul la khat snam kam la ban pentre kam tegumul pa syupen sep ya kapor jong ki pajba ku nanti ka syupen sep ya ka por jong sorka ka cakap pengin kiu no seprang ngin cusak haju tedai habis lor tu norin kolong government kan scrap no ikan ka agreement perka nika MS antina kan ya mentah kan liang jong komen kadang persangkat balak nak pentapan kapaka kinu kiba mud saban tre kan ibu barkum kumalong kumur basin la float ke tendar kumur ba kala kiba pun kiba sikuak baik bangi kuak bantre hadin kata kiba mud ba undon bantre ba dan nak takadaw nak liang jung komen ba ngin haban ex menswa kanu bolong jinwin ya kapaka la ban bantre di project nang bakanong long ke baju sak tengkai pas cia ki sedap ki menswa Yung jung isar mata nomor ba kalaban poilak nu lai hadu sang hajar kru kan ka project dan nak takadaw kulong ba kat sitom sibun ya ki company ki bomdon bisa ki baju persang ban pentami kemud papa pensitom hadu katakta nak pentaj di pendap ya di project